Hi, I'm Dr. Luke Wells-Smith from Motion Equine Centre. Today we've got a patient that has been recovering from severe laminitis. This horse developed laminitis back in September 2020. We believe that this horse likely had a mild underlying equine metabolic syndrome that triggered its laminitic episode. That in combination with some high non-structural carbohydrates or sugars in its pasture back in September last year sort of tipped this horse over the edge into this very severe laminitic episode.
Hi, I'm Sandra. This is my horse Phoenix, who's a pure Andalusian. He's 7 years old and I use him for dressage. Last year, unfortunately, the horse got quite a severe case of laminitis. And since then, he's had a lot of corrective shoeing, a lot of different types to get to this stage where we are now. And the horse has gone from being an animal that we thought we would have to put down to one now that is back in full work and ridden daily on a daily basis.
We've treated Phoenix multiple times throughout this 6 month period. Basically the horse has come in every sort of 5 to 6 weeks to be reshod and re-evaluated. Each time he's grown a little bit of new wall down, a little bit of new sole, and he's really started to improve in his lameness. We started him off in some wedged heel boots with about 16 degrees of heel elevation, and they were glued on. We would have lived in those for 6 to 8 weeks, and then we took some radiographs. On those radiographs he started to improve in his sole depth under the tip of his pedal bone, and he started to grow some new hoof wall down from the coronary band. At that point we knew that Phoenix had the ability to regrow his hoof capsule, which is a really important consideration. And then from there, we had him in some cast for a little while with some shoes glued to the bottom of those. And then we eventually transitioned him into the shoes we're going to put on today, a Zigafoo's glue-on cuff shoe. Overall, Phoenix has done really well. His owner's riding him at the moment 5 days a week. We're able to get under control his metabolism because he's been able to be exercised. Obviously laminitis can be a very severe condition, and like colic does require intensive management in some of these cases, but if you're patient and dedicated to these animals with the right management and the right treatment, then we can get a really great result.